Question 1. The most common fruit in the United States is reported to be apples. A store uses a ratio table like the one below to decide how many bushels of apples to buy when they place an order from the market. What is the ratio of the number of bushels they order to the total number of apples being ordered? Question 2. You created a new playlist and 100 of your friends listened to it and shared it if they liked the new playlist or not. Nadia says the ratio of the number of people who liked the playlist to the number of people who did not like the playlist is 75 to 25. What is the value of the ratio in simplest form? Question 3. Darian had a family party this past weekend. She needed to make enough cupcakes for everyone. The cupcake mix calls for 2 cups of flour for every 20 cupcakes. If Darian made 80 cupcakes, how much flour does she need? Question 4. Your mother takes you to your grandparents' house for dinner. She drives 60 minutes at a constant speed of 40 miles per hour. What is the ratio in simplest form of miles to minutes? Question 5. Your mother takes you to your grandparents' house for dinner. She drives 60 minutes at a constant speed of 40 miles per hour. At this rate, how long would it take her to drive 120 miles? Question 6. 24 is 16% of what number? Question 7. Which value of x will make these ratios equivalent? Question 8. Alice's iPod is 8 centimeters long. How many millimeters is her iPod? Question 9. An artist mixes 2 parts blue paint and 3 parts yellow paint to get a shade of green. How many parts blue paint should the artist mix with 12 parts yellow paint to get the same shade of green? Question 10. Jasmine has taken an online boating safety course and is now completing her end-of-course exam. As she answers each question, the progress bar at the bottom of the screen shows what portion of the test she has finished. She has just completed question 16 and the progress bar shows she is 20% complete. How many total questions are on the test? Show your work. Question 11. Jill and Erica make 4 gallons of their lemonade for the lemonade stand. There are 4 quarts per gallon. How many quarts will they be able to sell? Show your work. Part B. If they charge $2 per quart, how much money will they make if they sell it all? Question 12. Lucas read 30% of his book containing 480 pages. How many pages has he read? Question 13. Alyssa hopes to play beach volleyball in the Olympics someday. She has convinced her parents to allow her to set up a beach volleyball court in their backyard. She goes to the hardware store to shop for sand and sees the following signs on pallets containing bags of sand. Bag A, $60 for 5 pounds. Bag B, $150 for 12 pounds. Part A. What is the price per pound for bag A? Show your work. Part B. What is the price per pound for bag B? Show your work. Question 14. Which bag was the better buy in question 13? Question 15. Lauren and Julie have different part-time jobs after school. They are both paid at a constant rate of dollars per hour. The tables below show Lauren and Julie's total income, that's amount earned, for working a given amount of time. Part A. Find the missing values in the 2 tables below. Show your work. You must justify who makes more per hour for the next question by showing your work here. Question 16. Who makes more per hour in question 15? Question 17. For a cookie batter, you need 2 cups of flour and 4 cups of sugar. If I use 6 cups of flour, how many cups of sugar do I need? Show your work.